Welcome to Health and Technology TV, your trusted channel for innovations that make life easier. Today, we're diving into robotic vacuum cleaners for pet owners. If you have pets, you know how challenging it can be to keep your home free of fur, dander, and messes. Robotic vacuums can save time and effort while keeping your space clean and allergen-free. Stick around as we explore the must-have features for pet owners, top product recommendations, and tips for getting the most out of these devices. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more health and tech insights. Let's get started. Let's talk about why robotic vacuums are a game changer for homes with pets. Designed to handle daily fur shedding from dogs, cats, and other furry friends, many models come with HEPA filters to trap allergens like dander and dust mites, improving air quality. With scheduled cleaning, you can focus on your pets while the vacuum does the work. Are pet messes your biggest cleaning challenge? Share your experience in the comments below. Here are the features to look for when choosing a robotic vacuum for a pet-friendly home. Look for strong suction power, 2,500 pascals or more, to handle fur and debris on carpets. Anti-tangle brush rollers prevent fur from clogging the device. HEPA filters capture tiny particles of dander, keeping your air fresh. A large dustbin, 0.6 liters or more, is essential for homes with pets. Advanced navigation and mapping ensure efficient cleaning and help avoid pet toys or water bowls. What feature would make the biggest difference in your home? Let us know in the comments. Here are some top-rated robotic vacuums designed with pet owners in mind. iRobot Roomba i7 Plus features self-emptying capabilities and multi-surface brushes. Eufy RoboVac X8 Hybrid offers twin-turbine technology for powerful pet hair cleaning. Shark IQ Robot XL includes a self-cleaning brush roll and a large capacity. Robotic S7 Max V combines mopping and vacuuming with smart obstacle avoidance. Do you own any of these models? Or is there one you're planning to try? Share your thoughts below. Here's how to get the most out of your robotic vacuum as a pet owner. Pre-clean clutter like toys and bowls before running the vacuum. Empty the dustbin regularly, as pet fur can fill it quickly. Schedule daily cleaning to prevent fur and allergens from building up. Clean the brushes and filters weekly to maintain performance. What's your top tip for keeping your home clean with pets? Let us know in the comments. Let's look at how robotic vacuums are evolving to better serve pet owners. AI-powered pet detection can recognize pets and avoid startling them. Advanced models like the Robotic S7 Max V can detect and avoid pet messes. Smartphone integration allows you to control and monitor cleaning remotely. Future models may feature self-cleaning brush rollers and enhanced self-emptying systems. What feature do you want to see in future robotic vacuums? Share your ideas in the comments. Robotic vacuum cleaners are a must-have for pet owners who want to keep their homes clean and allergen-free without the extra effort. With the right features and a little maintenance, these devices can save you time and energy while improving your indoor air quality. Now it's your turn. Which robotic vacuum are you most excited to try? And what's your biggest cleaning challenge as a pet owner? Let's discuss in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health, technology, and lifestyle content. Thanks for watching Health and Technology TV. And until next time, stay clean, stay smart, and keep innovating.